thumping and thumping and thumping and thumping and thumping and shitting.
Blows my mind.
You can't escape, you bot! Oh! What, you bot? No way! What, you bot? Vacuum! Oh! Yeah! Oh, victory! You taste so sweet! Like, you bot, evil candy! Ta-da!
Why do you say that?
Because, Sonic, you can get...
I have no idea what that archaic expression means.
No? Remember the time competed to see who little...
This is just a good-natured competition between friends.
Huh? I'll never let anything like this happen to you again.
I'll be back with a new robot who has an accurate robot and who has a super laser robot.
We have to help him. If we don't, we'll be no better than he is.
Yeah, you'll be no better than I am.
Allow me to introduce myself. T.W. Vodka.
Keith is my middle name.
I thought your middle name was
Whoa! Tails, come in. We're joining the...
I don't know.
Hey, what's the big
What do
idea?
you guys do for fun?
I said aim.
Oh, was that meant for me? My face!
Ooh, let's see that again in slow motion.
Wait, what?
You guys got totally by Eggman. That's lame.
The guy's a lot trickier one-on-one.
He's actually pretty smart. He forgets sometimes that he's a dick. Knuckles' shift isn't over yet. Maybe he had better...
After my victory.
Hey, you guys will never believe what I found in this hole.
Shit! We get it.
Tails! 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 Heads! Tails! Come on!
You gotta focus! There's nothing like a lazy day on the beach.
You kidding me? This has nothing to do with my swing. It has everything to do with my swing.
Well,
Just die!
promise, Samar. Everyone just go past gas or pee every stupid week. Stupid and whooping shit and whooping shit. Oh, come on! Ow!
Eggman is sauce!
Always the jokester.
The field of baby ducks.
Rolling around at the speed of sound.
Well, that wasn't as exciting as I'd hoped.
Justin Bieber is actual poo. Or maybe incompetent box.
I'm alive. If I was invisible.
Bill the science guy.
Science rules.
And she can get it.
Welcome, motherfucker!
Totally this.
I can't watch this! Hey everybody, I can't watch this! Well, some of us are trying to.
John, please.
Drinking Rollin' Rock on the Rollin' Rock. Rollin' Rock. Rollin' Rock. Yeah, rock on the Rollin' Fucker.